Hey, how you going? Just a little story. I took some footage of a bird earlier on. I mentioned about this is where birds go when they sleep. About three hours ago, my partner was driving too fast in a 40-kilometre-an-hour zone, and she's hit a bird. Went back and picked him up and brought him back here, and I put him in a quiet place in a box, and I put the box on this bin just there, and after about an hour he regained consciousness and jumped on the bin. When I first saw him, he was very dishevelled. He couldn't manage his wings or anything, or his tail feathers. He jumped on the box, sung for a while, and then jumped onto some branches where I showed the earlier footage. After that, it was very, very strange. It was like the other birds were communicating with him. I took some other footage of some birds on an aerial antenna. I'll just show you another aerial antenna. Okay, what happened was two Australian magpies landed on the aerial antenna. I have never seen magpies land in this place, and they sort of communicated with him, and they were chirping away, and he perked up and he flexed his wings and showed some life. And there's another one, another aerial antenna, which is over here. There was two birds there, and they did the same thing, and he did exactly the same thing. Now, another strange thing happened. This way is north, south, east, west, north, south, east. The wind was blowing to the northeast. When he was recuperating, he didn't have much power, but the wind was northeast. He pointed himself exactly against the wind, which was really strange, and then he went to sleep, which when I took the footage. And it's getting near dark now, and yeah, he's still here. He's a beautiful creature, and this is an absolute privilege. This is where birds go to sleep. This is how they sleep. You know, they fly around in the day and everything, but this is where they go. And I'm not gonna disturb him. He's injured, and hopefully in the morning I'm gonna stay out here, and he trusts me. Yeah, I'll spend some time with him tonight, make sure he's okay. But anyway, this is him just before he goes to sleep at dusk. Hi again. He's a bit of a superstar, this one. This is a wild bird. He was hit by a car earlier, and I pray to God that he will recover, but in the meantime he's very, very photogenic, and he seems to be enjoying it. So it was quite amazing how the other birds, it was like they appeared and were communicating with him. So, you know, think what you want, but I know what I know. Anyway, I'll get one more picture of him. We'll leave him alone now, but that is a wild bird of Australia, in suburban Australia, and yeah, he trusts me, so it's not a bad life. Pray that he survives the night.